Have you heard about these two French museums that are trying to destroy Tibetan history? This is Students for a Free Tibet, and let me break down our campaign in 60 seconds. This month, two French museums
Musée Guimet
and
Musée du Quai Branly
removed all mention of Tibet from their exhibitions of Tibetan art and history. Instead, they're replacing the word Tibet with the Chinese word Xizang. Why? Because the Chinese government passed a mandate to change all mentions of Tibet to Xizang. Yes, you heard me right. A Chinese mandate, French museums. This effort to destroy Tibetan history and claim it as Chinese is just another aspect of the CCP's colonial project to erase Tibet from the hearts and minds of the world. But no matter what China says, these artifacts are irreverently Tibetan. The monks that wrote these texts are Tibetan monks. The musicians that made these damye were Tibetan musicians. The bones that these flutes were carved out of are Tibetan bones. By bowing to the CCP, these two French museums are helping China continue its genocide of Tibet by erasing the long history of Tibet as an independent nation before China's military invasion in the 1950s. Museums have a responsibility to preserve and protect history. And if these two French museums are willing to cave to the CCP's malign foreign influence, then SFT, the Tibetan people, and international community will be there to remind them of that responsibility. Join us in taking action and follow SFT for more.